Hey guys, I would like to show you how to replace a carbon air filter for this 2020 Dodge Durango. Okay, let's go inside. Right behind the glove box. Okay, here is a tension wires or string. So you just need to pull this back and release it, just a clip. Okay, and here the stopper, one on this end and one on this end. So we push this hard in to release it. It's like that. And also on this side, or you can do both hands at the same time, so it's out. Okay, just bring it down a little bit and you can pull it out like this. There's a hook, a 3 hook down here, and you hook it in over here, right? And right there the cover. So release on this end, pull this like this and pull it out and push it in a little bit so it release. This one is just a hook on this end, on this side. Right there the carbon air filter. Make sure you're wearing safety glasses and the mask, because some carbon air filter is very dusty, like this one. Does not look too bad, but yeah, it's dirty. I'll put the new one in, and all carbon air filter have the arrow. See that direction of airflow. Oh, you can see from under the hood, it's open. So you go in like this. There. Try to hook this one in. Yep. Yeah, looking good. It hooked in and it clipped in properly. Now just need to put the glove box and hook it in like this. Yeah, good. And now just need to get this tension string, hook it in. It's like that. Yeah, good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.